I recently bought shares of Zena, a company working in two of the most exciting frontiers in tech, drones and quantum computing. I first came across it after watching the Digital Stalkers breakdown, and the deeper I looked, the more it fit perfectly into the Moonshot Edge theme. Zena operates in the drone as a service space, providing autonomous aerial systems for industrial inspection, logistics, and defense applications. But what really caught my attention is its quantum technology integration, a potential game changer that could give Zena's drones next level navigation and data processing capability. Think of it as combining AI, robotics, and quantum sensing into a single platform, a convergence that could define the next decade of automation. Here's what I'm watching right now. One, strategic contracts or partnerships for large-scale drone deployment. Two, updates on their quantum-related R&D and software stack. Three, any movement toward recurring revenue or subscription models in their service platform. If they execute, Zena could evolve from a niche player into a core supplier of autonomous systems across industries. It's still an early-stage moonshot. Speculative, yes, but potentially transformative. I'll keep tracking Zena alongside my AI, robotics, and quantum holdings here on the Moonshot Edge. Learn more at AnalyzeStocks.com. Finding tomorrow's tech stocks today